So this is in regard to the recent incident that happened, today, 2-3 days back. So me myamnasu ubiramani tabiramani videos me am simkiba, but let us all remember that every coin has two sides. Ko moigi side of story tabaroi hai. Huzik, please listen to our side of story. So aina ahang bamakda haijaning badi. Huzik ki hariba auntie haisra ima haisra ma se lungbiram da leibanatte. She is from Imphal second mark lakpane. And then aina ngasi haning badi sigi thodok se noina lungviram hain haibasi lungviram gi relate kari su leite madi individually as individual person mana lamlei hi bani amson haiba mi adagi ko. And aduga amson haiba sine kanara haiga he is the chief of Consakul. So amson se Consakul gi ning thok neba aduga amson sina kari toba haiga akhoi leilon khunogi lamdu mana yon thok yon thot lambado akhoi indi kai su khangbi de. So for example noi gi compound da noi gi yum mamang da noi gi lamdu da mi na yum sagi na la adi kai su haide bida without any prior notice, without anything beforehand la aga lam sagi na la adi. What would you think? Let me just briefly tell you what really happened ko without any filter. That 6 numitsida JCB puraga yum sanangai landu takke na lakpane bam moise ko laga. And then after akoy nakhamba matungda we went to them and we requested them earnestly, very humbly. Akoy na request ko baneba asise akoy gileron khuno gilamne asi please sabiganu without any prior notice ka idletabida asmain sabiganu horen ko na fazana clarity leiraga ngangnaba matungda you can continue your work, but for now please hold tobiyo sabiganu haibaneba ko bizan request ore or workers nam sulaye. And then yanaraga moyum chakre. And then the next day amka moy laeba laaga they still continue the same thing. And then obviously akoy su amko chat tabani and then amko chat lure request pesan to re yade si tawganu. There will be a problem afterwards, ko. But still, moina they try to continue their work. Moi gi thabak tawdo, yum saringai gi lam takpado taweba. Aduda leiron khunaugi authority ga moi gi amsan gi moi gi authority ga laeba. Ngangnaraga tawba yaroi ngai hayeba. And then they keep on talking about our land. Akoi gi lamne, akoi gi lamda yum sagi tawraga moina khami haiba adu khamdu karigi maramra su hai deba in the video me am yengeba karigi noi gi lambe su hai draga noi, like you talk as if noi gi lamda hoina thingapogumna cookie singala aga thingapogumna haieba. Please do not do that, khangbra. We all are Christians, we all believe in God ko huzik matam se yamna very tense matam neba, as we all know kari issue thok prana. And on top of that we na adding oil to the fire tawudu, please tobi ganuba. And then you don't have to include the whole Naga society because of this. Because of your individual concern, nang mi kanuba. As the situation is already worst, please don't try to add oil to the fire. Ado haijaning badi. Ado, my dear auntie, my dear mom, ay ima gumbani ko. Noina sise ehoi ki lamne hardi. Please bring your legal documents. No legal government recognized over documents like that. No na kamay na like kadi wahan lega. Ako'y gilam ni haina no claim to ba braba. Ako'y gilegon kuno gimingdadi. We all have each and everything documented. Kambra government recognized over document legal document do leyeba. Ado no gi kaisu legal kais like na ako'y gilam ni cookie machas na laaga pubi ado to bi ado. Nang kadi wahan like nang wana conscience habas later braba. And then you keep on talking about how people exalted you. Aduga pubi phone lang bi at my tobudu. Katay the story laga nang sakat panoba. Ay am na eba. Please listen to me carefully. Nang I know that nang nungaram dabayay pesame am tingura lamdal roga nang gilamduda. Like I understand your concern. I me oy baniko. But that is between you and Amson. Amson na nongonda kari lam yo lambra ma yinatabado. That's not up to us. Khangbra akoy ga kari su relate de. But still akoy nongonda pazana request oraga si tawbiganu pazana ngangnaraga adu taraga you can continue your work haizabane ba. Adu nang na husik drama tho ibese kaino ba. You shouted this and that in media da kaino nganga like falsely me bu kera involved on badu karigit mai tawbra heba. And then to all my dear CSO executives and leaders, just because as an issue, an incident, no in a kari issue thigatabida, you know, like I've said, coincide front and back lego. Adudu ama side to kari issue thigatabida, no in a lambi thingba adudu tabudu. Like, why did you do? It's my earnest request. If you really want, you know, the truth to be, you know, prevailing, magi truth to asing to prevail toge, kangdo ke harde please, pazana thigapiyo. No give ama side story khak tatabiganuba. I know, like, the situation is already very worse right now. But still, I am earnestly requesting you. Situation do kamay na tora kamay tobra. Karigi maram de gitokbra. Adu pasan thigat piyu. And last but not the least, very most importantly, kananasu antibu imabu exalto bide pubide. Aduga molest togira natraga rep togira adugumba karisu laite. No one even threw your phone. Ko ahoy nang na video ko man number aduda taraga. We just earnestly requested you adumay tawganu lana thokini adumba nambiganu pasanga na se ashi tawganu hay bahaiza baneba aduga nang na mi la aga phubi adumay tawdu kadai digi lakpano ba aduga adu request tawriba mi ru nupi ne ko nupa na nangwanda la aga adumay hay banate ba. Ahoy na puning di nupa ani akong label puroidro blue and black tahan loidra ba. Adun na tabida kadai de gino na story sakat pa do the audacity that you have as a Christian woman, go as a mother. Ay nga eba. That is why I was compelled to make this video. Aduga mi mayam na khang ngai di ahoy gi anti haizari base lungviram da label sunate ma infal de lakpani. Ko second my infal de lakpani. Please, no, let's stop making allegations, false accusations. Ko, let's all hope for the better, but never with lies. Aduga, to all my agi and ima auntie liang so women society bu, aina please, aina request of thousandingba, appeal thousandingba di, pot se achumba karira, pasana titok piyu. Adu kari su khangdana mi amagi story khak taraga ko like support blindly support obiganu khangbra. We all are Christians, forget about them, but we all are Christians. Ishort hazaba mi ngaktani. So please pot kuding magse chumgira langira phazana thigat laga ngangna se asumai media da video namra ka tumai na thadoga ka sandokpado tobiroi se tobiganu please. Noise waste to say it's very bad without knowing the like real truth. Ama thigatana please tawbiro please.